Hello, my name is Jane Wake and welcome to Jane Wake's Train Online. You may have come here because you do my classes in the studio and you're now having some time away from the studio. You can't get here, so you've decided to come and join us online. It might be that you've heard about us and you've joined us. It might be that you are pregnant, you are postnatal, because we do specialise in both pre and postnatal exercise training. However you've come to us, welcome. I hope you enjoy the experience. It is unique. We do classes live, we have pre-programmed classes, we also have masterclasses as well. And we also work in a really unique way. I'm going to turn around for a second because when we work in the class, you actually literally follow. So I'm looking directly at the camera, but when I turn around, you'll see there's a mirror. You'll just see part of my body here. But now we're going to switch to our side camera and you can see how we work through different parts of the studio. So hopefully you can see me now through the side camera. So we work with several cameras in the studio. We switch from one to the other and it really does feel like you're actually in the class. We also have the ability for you to feed back to us as well. You can contact us, you can tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what you need and what maybe you don't understand. We will create workouts directly for you. We will also do masterclasses so that you can follow us. We will also have how to use these programs. All you need to do is click on the link next to the program that you are currently using and it will give you all sorts of guides of how to use all the workouts that we provide. Don't forget also that you really do need to make sure you've fully gone through our health screening process before you start. I really hope you enjoy this journey. I'm going to enjoy taking you on it and let's get fit together.